One of the things that I definitely want to do this year is focus on, working out the finances. Like, it's hard to get things going when you're constantly working against yourself with the finances. I do really good with paying attention to what we're spending money on. The thing that I don't do well is doing it all year. Like, I'll get going and I'll be great, great, great. And, you know, fortunately, we make enough to where you can really get yourself into trouble, or, you can be smart and save money and build for a future and things like that. I mean, we do those things. We have a few rental homes. I obviously I have the vending machine business. I did have an Etsy store that did pretty good. I mean, it's great extra money. So it's not like we don't have. It's just that you just have to be really careful that your lifestyle doesn't increase as your pay increases. So this year I'm 110% gonna focus on that. Gonna pay down some debt, which is always a great idea, and hopefully we'll see where that goes from there. Some other things I want to do. I definitely I want to do this. I told myself, it's like I've worked on this. I do DIY videos. I love doing that. That's mostly why I do that. And then I like capturing videos, and I love editing and things like that. It's just fun for me. So that's a hobby, and I enjoy it. So I definitely want to keep doing that. I'm going to try and do this super often. I don't know what the schedule is going to be yet, obviously. But I want to do it a lot. And I think that, some of these videos are probably going to be kind of boring. But hopefully some will be helpful to somebody. Because who knows, what we'll get into. I'm just going to go through my day and stuff. We're going to get it done. And just see where it shakes out. But so, yeah, so, obviously finances, work on, capturing more videos, get some projects done. Like, for instance, I really want to turn this wall into a library, or maybe this wall, but I'm not so sure because it's really, really big, and I don't think I need that whole wall for a library. And plus, it'll bring the depth of the room in, and the room will just be real shallow. What I'd really love is to have like a library, like a little fireplace, like an electric fireplace, and then like somewhere to sit, like a couch or something. Obviously this will have to move. And then I'm going to build a desk. Like, this desk has been super helpful. It's great because it comes all the way around. I've got plenty of space for everything. But what I'm thinking is take the desk and go all the way down to here. And that frees up this area, and then have this tiny space. I mean, this isn't a big area. It's kind of small. But I just think that would be really cool to have like a library. Obviously I'm going to build it myself. So, take it all the way to the top. And then what would be really cool is to have it go along here, maybe have like some shelves or something, and then like a ladder, which, I mean, it sounds dumb. I've always wanted one of those cool rolling ladders. I just think that's super neat. So I want that. For no other reason other than I want it. And, that's so more DIY projects. So that'll probably be one of the first ones that I tackle. yeah, I think that's probably it for now.